How to use CPAGRIP to make money. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how you can use this platform called CPAGRIP to make yourselves money. And before we start, what is CPAGRIP? CPAGRIP is a performance-based affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers with publishers who can promote their offers to potential customers. CPA stands for cost per action, which means that advertisers pay publishers only when a specific action is taken by a customer, such as filling out a form or signing up for a trial or making a purchase. CPAGRIP offers a wide variety of offers across multiple verticals including gaming, dating, mobile apps, surveys, and more. Publishers can choose which offers they want to promote and when they want to provide a unique tracking links to use their marketing campaigns. CPAGRIP provides a user-friendly platform that allows publishers to monitor their performance in real time, track their earnings, and optimize their campaigns for maximum profitability. And the first thing we're going to do is currently we are at cpagrip.com over here. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to either register or log in. If you don't have an account, I suggest that you click on register, and then this will redirect you to the sign up page over here, where you will be required to enter your first name, last name, your publisher type, your email address, your password, your time zone, where did you hear about them, the terms and services, your street address, your country, your city, your region, your postal code, your phone number, your Skype, IM name. And after filling out the information needed over here, you can simply click on register now. Now after signing in and logging in, you would be redirected to this dashboard of CPAGRIP. As you can see, there's a lot of things on our screen, so I'm going to give you a quick tour on what we have over here on CPAGRIP. Now over here, we can see at the center, we have this public chat over here. And people will only be able to chat over here if they earn a minimum of $25 so that you can unlock and participate in the public chat. You would also have an account manager. My account manager is John Wilson over here. He is a senior account manager and I would be able to contact him through his email, his Skype, or I could chat him over here beside the public chat. We can also see over here on the right side, this is the stats overview. This is our stats overview for ourselves, like the views, the clicks, the leads, the revenue, the EPC, and the conversion. We can also see our hourly stats. We could also see the latest industry news. We could see the top country breakdown over here. And we could also see the recent added offers, such as enter an Amazon gift card worth $500. There's also top performing offers over here. Now to explain how CPAGRIP works. The way CPA works is every time someone clicks the link that you are going to share, which is a link under an offer, either from the recent offers or the top performing offers, as long as someone clicks that link, you would be able to earn the specific amount that is indicated over here, like payout, one click, and if either they fill out the form or buy a product, you would be able to get $2.05. Your payout depends on the different offers, but that is how you would be able to earn money using CPAGRIP. As you can see here on the top left, we have the today's revenue. Currently, we are at dashboard. We could see statistics and chart. We could see under statistic and chart, you can see the stats overview, daily breakdown, offer breakdown, tool breakdown, country breakdown. There's also monetization tools like content lockers, URL file lockers, video lockers, and offer walls. Under the offer tools, we would be able to see my offers, RSS offer feed, JSON offer feed, CSV offer feed. There's also postback tools. Under it, there's global postback, multi-postback, and RSS lead checker. There's also referral program, payment center, account settings, and support. And the next thing we need to do is we're going to choose an offer. You could either choose from the recent added offers, the top performing offers, or we could go over here on the offer tools and click on my offers. And over here, we would be able to see more options for specific categories. Like for example, I set the country to Philippines and it will only show offers that are strictly under Philippines. We could add categories over here. We could add stats over here. You could filter out the things that you want to see. Now we're going to choose an offer. For example, this one, I'm going to choose this one. And as you can see, when you click this, we would be able to see the tracking domain, the URL link, and the graph activity. The URL link is the link that we are going to share so that when people click this, you would be able to receive clicks, leads, and through that you would be able to receive revenue. You could also change the tracking domain over here by clicking this. We have a lot of domains over here, and we're simply going to copy this link. And I'm going to show you a way where you can get a lot of clicks and a lot of revenue. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a landing site or a website, a simple one-page website. And for now, I'm going to use this website called site.google. It is a website creator by Google. And as you can see here on my recent site, I have created a sample landing page that is for CPAGRIP. And I customize it so that it is related to that offer. Like this one, I customize this page so that it is very convincing, and when they press this button get now, I would be able to get a click over here and it will be recorded as a click for my report. So we're going to make something similar. I'm going back to the home page and I'm going to click on blank. Now over here, this is our blank page. We will be able to edit it and do whatever we want. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy our title over here. Then I'm going to paste it as our title for our web page. Going to move it over here. I'm going to change its alignment to centered, like that. We're going to make it centered again. I'm going to make it bigger. I could change the font to like this. I could make it into a bigger size, just like that. You choose a better font, a more serious font, maybe a Merriweather bold, like that. And then I could make this longer, and that our wording is one line, just like that. And I'm going to change our background by clicking on the background, click on change image. We could click on select, and then we could choose any of this option as our background. I'm going to select this one, then click select, and this will be our background for our landing page. I'm going to change the color of the font to something else like black, like that. And then over here, we're going to add a block. I'm going to add this block over here, and this is an image block and then a text block. On the text block, we're going to put the same thing. I'm going to copy the title, put it there, make sure the color of our font is black. So we're going to go to Google, back over here, and then the topic is take the new finance survey, right? So we're going to go to Google, and then we're going to search for images that is related to this phrase. And we're going to find an attractive image that we can use. For example, this one, how to achieve success. We're simply going to download this, and then we're going to go back over here and we're going to upload the image that we have downloaded, and we're going to use that image for our landing page. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down over here on the right side, and then we're going to add the button. And I'm simply going to click this, and then we're going to enter a name for our button. I'm going to type in learn now, like that. And then we're going to copy the link over here, which is this, copy this. Then we're going to paste it as our button link, and then click on insert. And over here, this is our button over here. And just like that, we have created a simple landing page, and you could share this to social media, to Facebook, to YouTube, to anywhere you could think of to share this website. And then when they open this, they would be tempted to click on learn now, and when they click learn now, you would be able to receive clicks over on your graph activity. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create money using CPAGRIP. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.